Hi guys, it's Lily. I am back with my third fun box that I got today. I couldn't wait, but you're gonna have to wait. I'll wait a day to upload this one. Um, again, this is from Phoenix, Arizona. Again, with the purple dot that I'm talking about. I don't know. Let me know if any of you guys have a purple dot on your boxes. That is so weird. Um, anyway, Phoenix, Arizona. I've got orders to go out, so I'm looking for gifts. Plus, I'm packing up my daughter and my daughter-in-law's um, goodies that I'm going to be taking when I go on my vacation. Um, I'm Lily. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark. And I get these fun boxes for, mostly for fun. I do sell some of this stuff, but I don't buy them specifically to resell. Because I find this gives me a break in between all the stuff that I do buy to resell. Because sometimes it just stresses me out. If I have to fix something, if I have to wash a whole bunch of stuff, if I can't find something comps enough to list it. And these don't stress me out because it's fun. Oh my gosh. I see a duplicate of something I got in one of my other fun boxes. So obviously Arizona has a surplus of them. Okay, here's the first look. And we'll just go ahead and get that out of the way. This cheap old plastic Dollar Tree frame, 5x7. Now I have two. They match. I might do something with that. Okay, we have some Charlotte Russe sandals, flip-flops, brand new, size 6. That's my daughter's size, so I will put this in her goodie box. She'll like those. Campo, is it Marzio? Campo Marzio designs. Love the color. It's just a little wristlet. It is pre-owned. It's a little bit dirty around the edges here, which will probably come off. It feels like leather, but it's very, very soft, and this kind of makes me feel like it's cheap, but I could be totally off base. Not ever heard of this brand. Campo Marzio design. I don't know. I don't think it's anything. We'll see. I could be wrong. Okay. Oh, we have a coach. This is either a passport holder or for a notepad. Just black coach. Has a number on it. So I suppose I could look that up. No, it doesn't. It says estimated in 1941. Yeah, we knew that, right? No tag. But it's clean. Yeah. Has a few dents in it, but you know, I found a trick that works sometimes, not always. Put a soft cloth over it. And if you have a steamer, take your steamer, not on the leather directly, but over the cloth. And then just kind of take your fingers, and sometimes these little marks will come right out. They'll just poof right back up. All right. ING Sweda. Let me see. There. Sweda. You see that? Looks like a water bottle. I don't know this brand. Don't know if it's new or not. I don't know. I would hope it would be new if it was in this box. That would just be gross if it wasn't. So, I will look it up, and if it's something worth keeping, I will bleach it. But if you, as you can see, you tighten the lid too much, and it just... So I'm not thinking that's not worth a whole lot. Oh, this beer is making me awesome. Beer socks. Retails for $9.99. Primitives by Kathy. Laugh out loud. Made you smile. That's what it says. It's cute. Everybody likes socks, right? Okay. We have a jewelry box. Now I get, I get those mass jewelry lots that I like to put in my gifts for orders, and they come in boxes like this. So I'm guessing, well, this is not what came in this box. We have rhinestone love bobby pins, two of them. Those are cute. Just fashion bobby pins. We have a this here. My dog. I think they want to go outside for their walk. Whew. All right. MAROC, maybe? Looks like a keychain with corded, and I'm assuming that's wood. And with that, it's just a little tassel that needs to be steamed out. It's kind of crooked. I don't know what that would go on. I don't think it goes on here, but it might. Oh. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. Alright, we have a Me to We Health Rafiki bracelet. We give health care. Handmade with love. Oh, this must have been a freebie. Me to We. Yeah. It's a handmade bracelet. Yeah, just kind of neat. Yep, this boxes are sure not comparing to the one from Pennsylvania. That's for sure. We have a Ray-Ban case and another pair of Ray-Bans with the cleaning cloth. Case needs a little bit of gluing. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe not. These are also scratched up on the lenses. Seem to be stretched out. I could not wear them. They would fall off. But I do have a tiny head. I have to buy kids baseball caps. So, to me they're stretched, but probably maybe not for the average person. Okay, and we have, not sure what this is yet. No markings on the outside. It's a surprise. Oh, looky here. Reading glasses. 1.75. And I need much higher than that. Well, it has a name on here on the inside. KBEEH. Nah, that's probably just, I have no idea who this is. Let me see if the glasses say. Cute reading glasses for someone who but there's no branding on them, so I don't know. Sure is a nice case for a cheap pair, so maybe they're not a cheap pair. Okay, the last item, we have an Ulta bag. Yeah, just a white Ulta tote. It does have feet. It is new. Doubt that it's leather. No, it's not leather. But it's brand new. It's a very large tote. Has a magnetic snap. So yeah. And it's new. So I'll probably sell it or give it to my daughter. One of them. Alright, so we have the Ulta bag, which is 1. Scratched up Ray-Bans, which is 2. The Unknown Readers, 1.75. I don't know anybody who is at that level. It's a very unusual keychain. MAROC. I'll have to look that up. I have no idea who that is. We have the Health Me to We bracelet. We have the Love Rhinestone. Love bobby pins. This drinking water bottle, Sweda, SWEDA. I don't think it doesn't feel high quality. It feels kind of cheap to me. The beer is making me awesome socks. Like those. The Coach passport holder. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then we have this Campo Marzio design little wristlet card holder. It's not a wristlet, really won't hold much other than just cards and some money. And this just seems really flimsy to me. May not be. I will look it up. And we have the Charlotte Russe flip-flops that are going to my daughter. And the cheap plastic frame that I now have 2 of. So, this box was not great. I will say that. The only things that I want to keep is the only things that have any significance if I wanted to, monetarily wise, if I wanted to sell it. Like that Coach passport thing. What else was there that might? The Ulta bag, I don't know, maybe $10. The Ray-Bans are pretty scratched up, so I'll look at them. Everything else is just fun, which is fine. So I'm not going to get stressed out over the fun box because, like I said before, I don't get the fun boxes to list things. I get them for gifts, for things for me, to put in some people's orders. So they don't stress me out. Would I like a better one? Yeah. This one was probably the worst one I've ever gotten. But it's still okay. I got a Coach passport holder for my passport. Maybe one day I'll get to go somewhere and use it. Anyway, so yeah, it was a decent box for its purpose for me. I'm glad I got it and not one of you that like to resell the items out of the fun box and hope for that one big one that's going to make you money, because it's not in that box. Anyway, I enjoyed doing the unboxing with you, and I will have more to come. Hopefully this one doesn't depress you, because it was bad. I hope you guys, whoever got fun boxes last week, I hope you got great ones because mine were okay. This one was not very good at all, but the other two were pretty good that you have already seen. So I will talk to you guys again tomorrow or the next day because I have a few more coming tomorrow. Okay, Lily out.